Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, guys, look, today we're going to be talking about, again, the Cash Building System Unlimited and how it's great for creating passive income. So, if you're looking to retire early from your 9 to 5 and have no idea where to start, then you are at the right place. Okay, let's get started. Okay, guys, so today we're talking about the Cash Building System Unlimited and why I feel that it is a great start for creating passive income as on one form to add to your retirement income. Okay, and the reason why I say that right now um, I am on my website right here. Okay, and this is why I'm going to tell you. Okay, so see guys right here, when you sign up for the passive cash building system unlimited, of course you're going to start with $50 right here. Okay, you're going to start with the $50, but then when you level up and you go into phase two and you choose one of these levels to sign up at, again, like I said before, sign up at a level where you're comfortable. So that you are still able to earn a significant income, but also that you're able to buy your postcards, buy your stamps, and buy your leads. But this is where the passive part comes in. When someone signs up under you and you get that $70 commission, all the work that they do, you still will receive money from work that you're not even performing from, which is completely awesome. So let me explain to you how this can be a domino effect. Basically, when someone signs up under you, let's say that you get 5 people to sign up under you, and each of those 5 people, let's say out of those 5, 3 are really active and they are diligent, they are being consistent. When they're being consistent and they're getting sign-ups, and let's say that they did upgrade to phase 2, they would actually, let's see, phase 2, let's do a scenario. Phase 2, level 3. Level 2, which means that they will also qualify as level 3. So anybody that signs up under them and levels up to phase 2 and pick one of these levels over here, you will get $20, $100, $200, even, or however high you go up in your levels. And this is from work that you're not even doing. This is from work that you've done in the past that is now paying off. Okay? Let me see if I can find a definition for passive income. Okay. Hmm. Let's see. Passive income activity is income from a passive activity, which is an activity in which the taxpayer does not materially participate. So basically, that's it. As you can see, you will not be participating in marketing whoever signs up under you. They will be doing that, but you will get the residuals from whatever their people are doing and what they're doing, which I think is absolutely awesome. This will be a great source to add to your retirement income. Like I said, guys, if you are looking to retire early, and you are in your 40s, you're in your 50s, and you don't want to wait for the retirement age, or you are closer to retirement, but you want to live a better life because you might want to travel, or you might want to move closer to family, and the expenses of more, or you just want to create a lifestyle that's not going to restrict you by depending on Social Security. Cash Building System Unlimited is a great place to start. It's only going to cost you guys $50 to join in. With that $50, you would get 200 postcards, 200 names, which is your leads, and all you have to do is buy your stamps. That's a start. But remember, like I said in previous videos, you can't just stop there. You're going to have to invest in more cards. You also have the option to do like I've done and get a website and market online by doing YouTube videos. I do have some videos. If you look back over my other videos, you'll see uh, I have a video about the benefits of having a YouTube channel and how it can increase your results, and how you're also building another business on top of this business here. Okay. um, you can also do other marketing tactics offline. If you choose not to do this business online, you don't have to. You can still create um, a really great income um, marketing offline. I seen people in our Facebook group who have done this for a while, who only did offline marketing and made $50,000. I mean, that's significant. If you're not internet savvy, don't worry about it. You can still come online right here, and if you just want to print out the sheet, you can print it out right here. And what this will do, let's click on that. You can have this printed out and you can join by mail. That is absolutely no problem. We will be more than happy to sign you up through mail. Okay, again, the membership fee is $50. You have 2 weeks after that $50 to go into phase 2 in order to be bumped up automatically. And what that means is that if you sign up at level 1, you will go to the $300 mark. If you sign up at level 2, which is $300, this is an older sheet, so I have to update my sheet. You will get the $500 mark, and if you level up to the $500, you will go to the $1,000 mark, and that would basically mean that you would get $700. Right now, I am at the level 3. This is where I'm at. Um, and just like I said, if you guys are looking to be serious about this and be consistent and willing to take the time, the biggest thing I hear people say is, how long is it going to take? My thing is, if it's going to take 3 months, and if you think that's too long, why do you think that's too long? If you plan on living for 3 months, why not just let it play out for 3 months? You see what I'm saying? So it really shouldn't make a difference. Anything um, easy, or anything, it's not going to come easy to you. Anything that you want to do, you're going to have to work at it. This is you just have to hustle, but it's not that big of a hustle. If you can put stamps on a postcard and drop them in the post office box, you can create yourself a passive income. Okay? Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. This is all I have for you guys today. I'll see you next time on the next video. Peace out. Bye, guys.